morning, guys. It's currently 7 in the morning. Just woke up. Yeah. Second day in Mumbai. So what am I doing? I'm going for darshan. What's darshan? It's a Mumbai tour. We go on a bus. The people of here will show us Mumbai. Then I'll show it to you. Then you see. Then you come. Then you see with your eyes. That's all. Let's get ready for the morning. I've changed my pants, but not t-shirt. It's my merch. The hottest office in the game in the... So let's go for breakfast. For breakfast. Actually, we are running late to the bus. Now it's almost 9. It's 9, yeah. And it'll take around 30 minutes to reach the bus station. And let's go. I found a local taxi out here. Let's go. हाँ ठीक है. So yeah, we reached Kabutar Khana, but I see a crow out here. There's no kabutar. It's exactly 9:40. We are 3 minutes late. Let's see if the bus is there or not. Okay, now I see why they say the pigeon's hood. Here we got a pigeon just shat on me somewhere in my bag. Yo, I can't do shit to them because it's their hood. They'll beat the fuck out of me. Yeah, I've got a friend. क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
मेरे आप सत्य को कोई नहीं मार सकता. आज इतना जुल्म अत्याचार करना है कर लो. 17 साल से मेरे साथ कर रहा है एक लड़की. खेल रही गाड़ी में घूम फिर के.
ठीक है. बैड न्यूज. चलो बस आ गया. बाय बाय. उसको मदद करे, उसका okay, he's a bit psycho. I've got a bad news. The bad news is that I've got a good news, and we didn't miss the bus.
सभी लोग मेरे साथ में चलेंगे सेकंड फ्लोर में.
So yeah, we've got down. ये क्या है? 3D मूवी या कुछ 5D ना? 5D मूवी. वो लोग बस के सामने. वो लोग नहीं आ रहे. नहीं देखना.
आपको देखना है?
हाँ. So yeah, we've sat down to watch the 5D movie.
One eternity later.
It was fucking amazing. That's what you expected me to say. It was the worst 12 minutes of my life. Look, I'm wet. Okay, first of all, the water thingy was broken. It sprayed water again and again on me. And secondly, it wasn't even 3D. And they call it 5D. Anyways, now we're boarding the bus again. And they'll take us to our next location. Now the most famous part about Mumbai is the street food of Mumbai. Let me show you some. If you are here, you should try this. It's tasty. It's called papri chaat.
नेक्स्ट अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं गेट वे ऑफ इंडिया.
So yeah, now we'll be going to the gateway of India. It's a 2 to 3 minutes walk. Buses are not allowed to go till there. So yeah, we've reached the gateway of India. It's a beautiful place. And that's the Hotel Taj. The old one. And that's the new one. Yeah. So Taj on my right. The gateway of India on my left. And the ocean right there. So now we'll be going on a boat ride. So we are at the top. That's Gateway of India behind me. We sailing like Popeye the Sailor Man. Whoa, nice catch. Let's see how they take. You know what? Mine. So we are back to the place. So now we will go board the bus again and go to our next destination. So see you in the bus. So this is the hanging garden. The garden is not hanging actually. It's just that actually the ground now, it was a tank full of water. So they filled it up with some mud and they built up a garden in it. Let me do a quick montage. Attractive. It's just a garden. Now we'll be moving out from here. See you in the next location. So now we're going to some temple. So this was the Mahadev Mandir and Mahalakshmi Mandir is this side. Look at this big ass dosa. There's a lot of crowd in the temple, so we decided not to go there. We are just done with our lunch. Now we'll go at the science fair upstairs. Yo, you can hear the beat of the heart. So now we've reached Bandra. So we reached Bandra Bandstand. So this is our superstar Shah Rukh Khan's house. You know what? Let's take a sneak peek from down his gate.
Are you sure about that?
That's Mannat behind me. I'll say bye once I'll be there. I'll talk to Shah Rukh Khan for you guys. That was the vlog for today. It was a long day, long vlog. Oh, the whole day I vlogged. So yeah, once again, I'll see you tomorrow. If it's an amazing day, I'll vlog. So see you tomorrow or in my next vlog. Till then, take it easy. Peace.